Teresa. I'm a clinical dental assistant with Dr. Kinra, and my tip of the day is how to assemble a rubber dam and choose a clamp for the tooth we'll be working on. So the first thing I'll do is take the rubber dam frame and line the rubber dam up with the top and hook those, and then hook the four corners, and then the sides, and then the bottom. I'll take my rubber dam punch and push it all the way to the edge so we have the hole in the perfect spot, and then we'll choose a clamp. So for an anterior tooth, we'll use a double wing clamp with a small opening. For a premolar, also a double wing clamp, but with a little larger hole. For a molar, we'll use a size 14 clamp. So if we are working on tooth number 3, we'll take the size 14 clamp and hook it into the rubber dam so the wing will face towards the back of the mouth. You'll learn more tips like this in the workshop with Dr. Kinra.